Hello. I hope you and your families are well in these difficult times. My name is Peter Fussey, and I'm an industrial professor in engineering, speaking to you from lockdown. To make a change from the typical kitchen scenes, and because I'm an automotive engineer, I thought I'd record this in my car. A bit about me first, then. I'm an industrial professor because I work both here at the university and also as a technical specialist in the engineering firm Ricardo, where I develop control systems or computers in cars and trucks for manufacturers across the world. I have found engineering to be a great profession to enter because of the variety of projects you can get involved with, and the way you can use your skills to address many of the world's challenges, such as climate change, reducing emissions, and improving safety. I would like to say a few words today about how you can prepare for coming to Sussex to read engineering. Why am I talking to you? Well, I have two sons, one who would have completed his A-levels this year, and an older son who is studying at home for his final year at university. So I've seen the challenges of both stopping school studies early and online study at university firsthand. Today we'll focus on students applying for university. You probably have many questions about how the degree will look like with social distancing. Unfortunately, I can't address that directly as the plans are evolving for next year. However, I can say we have gained a lot of experience over the last term and will be much more informed for the coming year. Instead, I would like to discuss what we can do to help you prepare to come to Sussex. A lot of time has passed since schools closed, and we don't want you to forget all the skills you built up during your A-level studies. We also want to help you use the remaining time effectively, so I've prepared some pointers on things you can do at home. As I said, there's a long time until you start your degree, so you may want to keep up to date over the summer. This might sound a bit dry, but there are some ways to make it more interesting. As engineers, we use fundamental maths and physics to solve real-world problems, so we will be running a series of lockdown lectures that will show how the maths and physics you've learnt at school can be applied to engineering problems. Also online, you'll find there are lots of webinars available on all sorts of topics. This is because industry, as well as universities, have had to move online for meeting and discussing things. I come from an automotive background, so I would recommend checking out the Automotive World webinars. Some of these may seem a little advanced, so try and aim for the general ones, for example about the future of mobility or how to meet zero emissions, rather than some of the niche topics. We have included a list of links in the reading list online. Finally, a number of companies have provided resources free online during lockdown. For example, access to some of the software we use in the department. If you have a go at this, you can go through some of the tutorials to give yourself a head start. These activities can provide a useful background information to help put your studies next year into context. Thank you for watching today. I hope these tips are useful and we look forward to seeing you in the autumn. In the meantime, keep an eye open for our lockdown lecture series. Thank you.